Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video going through quick troubleshooting with custom tags and classes. This is a fantastic customer of ours. Check them out if I was you. They do incredible apparel out of Europe. Starboy. So Starboy was following the guides to use custom classes and kept hitting the same couple of issues. So I wanted to make this video. They said I could use their store as an example. I wanted to make this video just showing where the quirk is and what might be going wrong, and you should definitely take a look at this if you're having issues with custom classes. So the first thing is, when we're adding a custom class, you should be able to on Chrome just double click and it should take you into the class. So one of the issues that was going on is that when he was trying to do the custom class, he was adding the class equals part at the beginning, class equals in the quotation marks. That obviously will not work, but I just want to quickly show. I'm going to take out hero title so this works. He wanted romantic, didn't he? So if I refresh, we were having an issue where this is a H2, you can see that right here, it's a H2 class. We've applied in Fontio H2, well, I can do it right now, but it's not going to do what we need it to do. We wanted a custom class because if we apply the H2 to Starboy official, Starboy thingamajig, it's not applying it there, and it is applying it to other places that we didn't want it. So I'm going to take the H2 back out. So this is perfect use for custom class. For some reason it's not applying it to this H2. Okay, so custom class. So the second thing that he was doing was pulling this entire class and trying to apply it. Now the tricky part is, as you see when we refresh the page, because this font is moving, it means it's rendering dynamically. So these classes are actually changing as the page loads. And so Fontio triggers as the page loads. So if the class is changing as Fontio is triggering, it's not going to pick up the right class. You just saw that one highlighted. It's because there's still some rendering there. So the trick was, this class is made up of several different classes. You can see that by the space. So the trick was just to take this class, a single one at the front, and it's trial and error, but this is how you do it. You take the custom class, custom font, romantic, save, and see if it works. Which it does. If that didn't work, I'd go and pick the next one, and the next one, and the next one. But really, if it says animate, that's going to be the thing that's dynamically changing. Anyway, that's how we fix that, and that really will troubleshoot 99% of your problems with Fontio. Thanks.